Boys, we back today. And wait, hold up, wait. Do you guys notice the difference? Alright, hold on one second. Much better, along with the crisp audio from this mic. Anyways, why you're here is because I'm gonna be tinting my windows today. But first we gotta go to my work and then pick up a couple more supplies for the thing. So let's go ahead and go over here, go ahead and do this stuff so we can get started on this video and get these fish bowls. No more fish bowl. All right, boys, we're on our way to my new work. It's in Fremont. We should be there shortly. So let's go. All right, you guys, we're here. I can't take you inside, obviously, because it's my job, but let's go ahead and get this done, and then we can go ahead and grab some more supplies for my for the window tints, and then we can get started on it. All right, you guys, we spent like an hour just to sign some papers, but now we have to go take a drug test, then we can finally be on our way. I'm not sure if I'm gonna even have time. I might only be able to do the front two windows today and then the rear window tomorrow or something. But yeah, let's go ahead and get all of that done so we can, you know, finally get to the install, because, you know, I only have until like 4:30 and it's already 12 and I still have to finish up with this. So hopefully we can do it. But if not, we'll go ahead and finish off tomorrow. But we can definitely get a start on it, at least, hopefully. All right, boys, we finally got that over with. Now we're going to Harbor Freight to pick up the little heat gun, and then we'll be able to start it. I don't think we're gonna be able to get all of it today, because I waited there since like 12:15-ish, 12:30, and it's already 2 o'clock, and I only have till 4:30. So we may not be able to do it all today. We might have to do some tomorrow. All right, boys, we're finally back at the house. Time to get it started. Basically, what you're gonna need to tint your own windows is obviously the tint, some baby shampoo, and, you know, a water bottle, and a window tinting kit that you can pick off of Amazon for like 10 or 15 bucks. All right, guys, so we just did a test run and it looks good, but I suck. So all of this looks kind of okay until you get right here towards the bottom right here. Garbage. So we have 10 feet, so we have one try each on both of these sides to get it right. Hopefully we do. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and clean up this whole window, make sure there's no like debris on it or anything. You should probably be inside, but I'm not inside because I'm stupid. But yeah, first thing you're gonna do is that, and then we can basically roll out the film and put the tint on there. And I need new solution. So boys, some things you just need to leave to the professionals. This type of thing is not something I'm good at, I guess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to an actual shop where they can do this, because it's not working out for me, I guess. I took the L today. A fail is never fun, but I mean, at least you get Starbucks, right? I mean, it sucks, man. Man, cause like the thing is, it looked like good, but I'm not precise enough to make it look like good. You know, it's not like, it wasn't passable for my taste because I want it to be perfect. But with my skill, it just wasn't perfect. So, you know, I didn't like it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go to an actual person. I can't do that today, but yeah, today was a fail because like I used all of what I was supposed to use for this. It sucked. But I'm just gonna go ahead and return like that little kit that I got and the other window tint, because I haven't used that at all yet. So it's unfortunate, but it's a learning experience. With that being said, on my other cars I will try again, but I mean, when I'm on a time limit, and you know, I will try again sometime, but on this car, no. I'm gonna go ahead and just go with an actual person that knows how to do the tint, because I don't know how to do that for shit. But hey, you win some, you lose some. Today I lost. The next thing I'm gonna be doing to my car, even though we failed on this, is the head something, whatever this, the headliner. And I'm gonna go ahead and try and make it like the theme of my car, which is that it's a spaceship. It shouldn't be too hard, but because I mean, it's not tinting windows. That requires a lot more precision than something like that would. But let's see if it makes me eat my words. That's it for today's video. I failed miserably. But yeah, boys, peace out. I'll see you in the next video.